Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use the DaySchedule workflow features so that you can send a reminder email or maybe the booking confirmation email from your account, from your Gmail account by connecting it through the connections option. So just go to connections and connect your Gmail under the email sections. I have connected it already, so I will skip this step. I have connected my vikas.t@agenti.com email address. I will just go to workflow now. So create a workflow. Let me just name it meeting reminder, or let's just name it meeting confirmation. I want to apply this to all resources. This should be sent immediately on the event scheduled. The action type is email. I am going to select my email which is connected. Whom it should send? It should be sent to invitee. You can add host and guest as well. For now I will just add the invitee. In CC option you can add let's say your manager, team lead email address if you want that whenever a booking has been received, it should be a copy of that email should be sent to your managers as well. Here we can write our email like subject and content, or we can choose a template as well. So let's say I have a template here in my list. So let's say I will just use this one which has the merge variables as well. You can check out our documentations to learn better how to use the merge variables. Here I can customize it. Thank you for booking. I will call you on due time. Okay, so you can write like this, and you can test this email template by clicking on the test one. It's sending to this, and it provides the details of details basically received from the Google API, which because we in background what happens is DaySchedule send the request to Google API, which send this thread ID and status and labels of that particular email. If there is any error or maybe any warnings, it will appear here. If it's sent, then we can see it here in the inbox. So if you see, this email has been received from my email address, not the @dayschedule.com. Now the test is running fine, so we will just create this workflow. So next time someone book an appointment with me, they will get an email from my account. In order to disable the DaySchedule email, I can do it from here. Send booking confirmation email to invitee. I can turn it off, so that DaySchedule does not send the default email reminder. So I will just disable it from here. And now let's just book an appointment. So I just booked an appointment, and let's see, this email should be received from vikas.t@agenti.com. So I received the calendar invitation. Now I received the confirmation email from @agenti.com, which is connected via the connections feature here in the email settings. So similarly, I can create more workflows. So let's say a reminder before 15 minutes using the same process. I will just create a workflow. In trigger, I will select here before event and before 15 minutes. So this will trigger the event on the scheduled time, but just before 15 minutes. So and we can select the email template and write our own content here. So that's how we can create multiple workflow to send meeting reminders, confirmation email, cancellation emails, and more, all through our personal email addresses, which is connected through the connections features. We just need to make sure that DaySchedule default email has been disabled under the event settings. Go to advanced and then disable it for invitee, or if you want to disable it for host as well, you can do that as well from here.